I'm going to make Mickey fat with Brian and Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic Boom.
Ugh. Not you again. What do you want to me?
Me, Brian, and Shadow, we will turn you fat.
Oh.
I'm a firing my leg on!
Ha 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 ha.
Oh no. Mickey. Why are you fat?
Evil Pango, Brian and Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic Boom make me fat.
Evil Pango, Brian and Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic Boom. I'm calling your guardians.
No 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 no.
No. My evil clone, how dare you made Mickey fat? That's it, you are grounded until Ricardo now hates the problem solvers. Go outside now.
Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic Boom. How dare you made Mickey fat? That's it. You are grounded until Sonic attacks you. Go to your room now.